All right, I'm going in. Here we go. Is that on?
Yes, it's on.
This is Joey.
This is Mike.
And we're with our mobile backpack. Well, today we're going to take a look at everybody's favorite subject, cleaning your black water tank. Not. Here's what I've got. It's inevitable that eventually your sensors are going to mess up from the crud, the buildup that gets in your black water tank. That's happened to us. Now we have a built-in a black tank flusher, but it's not really doing the job. So I've decided to bring in the big guns. I got this Camco. This is a flexible hose and it flushes. Take a look at this. So this spins, these shoot out water. This should clean it all up. From what I've been told, 10 minutes of this going in your black tank, spinning around, will take care of it. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot. I'm going to spare you all the graphic black tank, shoving this down the toilet and all that, but I'll let you know how it works. I think we're going to do okay. So here's what this does. Oh yeah. All right, let's get to the rodeo. So you see, here's the problem. Here's my black water tank. It says it's full. Well, at 3/4. I emptied it yesterday. I know it's not full. So I'm gonna get this thing fixed. All right, so I'm gonna flush the tanks, of course, before I even start trying to clean it out. This is our external flusher. All right, I'm going in. Here we go. All right, so here we go. Just get it down here and get the job done. 10 minutes of this and I'll get my sensors back. Ooh, put it there to the bottom. Woohoo! Up, back. See? So I worked with that swivel stick for a little bit over 10 minutes in our tank. Cleaned them out good. Still had the same problem. Didn't make much difference. At first, it did knock it down a third on the tank, so it was a little bit more accurate. Looks like we're gonna have to do it a few more times. Now we bought this RV, this is a 2015. We bought it in October 2017. We haven't really flushed it like that before. We've been just maintaining it. I don't know the history if it was ever done again, so it's probably gotta be done a few more times and we'll get there. Thanks.